Sony continues to be a leader in immersive entertainment experiences, and gaming is no exception.
One month ago, we celebrated the 25th anniversary of the PlayStation brand. This spirit of innovation and how Sony used technology to make a generational leap in real-time interactive entertainment continued with each successive platform. We've constantly added and refined features to stay ahead of players' needs. And the hardware was designed to expand as technology advanced. We're fortunate to have an unrivaled lineup of upcoming PS4 exclusives that fans can't wait to play, including Final Fantasy VII Remake, Marvel's Iron Man VR, and The Last of Us Part 2, just some of the titles coming to PS4 in 2020. And it's our mission to embrace the entire creative community, elevating their content on our platform for PlayStation fans. That commitment will carry us through as we embark on the launch of our next generation console, PlayStation 5, coming this holiday. And I'm pleased to share with you today, for the first time, our new logo. We've announced several key features of the PS5 hardware, which has been engineered with customizations that will truly differentiate the platform, including future-proof technology such as ultra-high-speed SSD, 3D audio, Ultra HD Blu-ray, and a brand new controller with haptics and adaptive trigger buttons. There's much more to share about PlayStation 5 in the months ahead, and we look forward to revealing more details, including the content that will showcase the platform and the future of gaming.
Another form of immersive real-time entertainment that Sony has focused on is sports. With the launch of 5G, we see an opportunity to combine 5G's dynamic uplink capability with our real-time encoding and wireless communication technology.
Now, we've been using wireless cameras in sports broadcasting for almost 40 years, if you can believe that. But it's always taken a proprietary antenna systems and a complicated infrastructure that was quite cumbersome to install at each and every instance that we used it. This was not something you did at the last minute. Now, with the introduction of the Sony Xperia 5G millimeter wave camera, the flexibility and the ease of deploying a wireless camera is exciting to us because it involves simply clipping on a 5G wireless pack from Sony onto the back of one of our existing cameras. But some of the most striking effects continue to be in the camera and in its movement and position. And they're actually quite simple. We'll take a look at some of them here. The continued growth of high frame rate cameras really add to the experience where you see a very fluid motion that helps to engage the viewer in the competition field. Then you get to POV cameras. They give you a sense of speed and presence in cameras in places we never thought possible. And flying cameras like the wired Skycam that you see so frequently now in big sporting events, and then drones which have become so popular in the last 5 years. They both give you a sense of motion that we used to only be able to see in big major market films, but we now can afford to do that in sports television.
I believe the next megatrend will be mobility. As vehicles become more connected, autonomous, shared, and electric in the coming years. And to deepen our understanding of cars in terms of their design and technologies, we gave a shape to our vision. This prototype embodies our contribution to the future of mobility and contains a variety of Sony's technologies. One of our new offerings for in-car entertainment is 360 reality audio, for you to truly enjoy an immersive audio experience. It also comes with an intuitive human math interface with a wide screen that displays various driving information and entertainment content. The vehicle seamlessly integrates with the cloud and continually updates its capabilities through always-on connectivity. And this prototype is built on a newly designed EV platform, allowing for future applications. The creation of this prototype would not have been possible without the knowledge and the cooperation of our partners in the automotive industry. We will continue to pursue the Vision S initiative, focusing on safety, entertainment, and adaptability. We are committed to making a meaningful contribution to society, and we are excited about the road ahead of us. Thank you, and have a great CES.